Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can find video effects in Capcut. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Capcut application. Click on import and select video clip from your PC. So I selected this and now I want to search for the effects. So you simply need to go on effects and here you need to search for effects. So I'm going to search for blur effect for example. Hit enter and now you can see different blur effects. So I'm going to apply this one for example. Apply that. So here you can see. So this is the process how you can find video effects in Capcut. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.